American soldiers introduced table tennis in the Philippines during the first American colonization period in the Philippines. The table tennis was introduced around 1900. They brought with them the early table tennis box sets. They taught the locals how to play table tennis in their spare time. It was known ping pong, and it was introduced to the Philippines by the Americans. Following the departure of U.S. service members from the Philippines, the Thomasites continued to spread table tennis throughout the islands. The Thomasites mentioned were a group of 600 American teachers who traveled from the United States to the newly occupied territory of the Philippines on the U.S. Army Transport Thomas. Peter Kua, a former member of the Philippines national table tennis team, rediscovered these early efforts. He was also a historian of table tennis and Liha ambassador. Peter Kua learned about this long-forgotten history in 2008, after decades of no one remembering it. While history is ancient, Peter Kua learned that many people were playing in private homes and back alleys. Sandbat play, also known as Liha table tennis, is a direct descendant of a game that existed over a century ago. In the Philippines, the native Tagalog term of Liha refers to it, which means sandpaper.